Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 11th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th, and we are on the last P of marketing mix, that is promotion. So, what is promotion? So, students, promotion element of marketing mix is concerned with activities that are undertaken to communicate with customers and distribution channels to enhance the sales of the firm. The promotional communications aims at informing and persuading the customer to buy the product and informing him about the merits of the product. Then comes advertising. Advertisement can be defined as the paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsor. It is an impersonal presentation where a standard or common message regarding the merits, price, availability of products or services is given by the producer to or marketer. The advertisement builds pull effect as advertising tries to pull the product by directly appealing to customer to buy it. It is a paid form, impersonal, and advertisement is given by an identified company or firm or an individual. Then comes the next is personal selling. Personal sellings means selling personally. This involves face-to-face interaction between seller and buyer for the purpose of sale. The personal selling does not means getting the prospect to desire or what seller wants, but concept of personal selling is also based on the customer satisfaction. Then comes sales promotion. Sales promotion refers to short-term use of incentives or other promotional activities that stimulates the customer to buy the product. Sales promotion techniques are very useful because they bring short and immediate effect on the sales. Stock clearance is possible with sales promotion. Sales promotion techniques induce customer as well as distribution of channels. Sales promotion techniques help to win over the competitors. And then comes the last, that is public relation. Apart from four major elements of marketing mix, another important tool of marketing is maintaining public relations. In simple words, public relation means maintaining public relations with public. By maintaining public relations, companies create goodwill, image, or its reputation. Public relation evaluate public attitudes, identify the policies and procedure of an organization with the public interest to earn public understandingly and accepting it. Public does not means only customer but includes shareholder, supplier, middleman, customers. The firm's success and achievement depends upon the support of these parties. For example, firm needs active support of middlemen to survive in the market. It must have good relations with existing shareholder who can provide them with capital. Then comes what are the ways, methods, tools of public relations. Basically there are 5: news, speeches, events, written materials, public service activities. News. Some companies get involved in such kind of activities or make such policies so that they get some positive coverage in news. Then comes speeches. Speeches can be given by the leaders of corporate sector which influence the various members of public, especially bankers, shareholders, etc. Events. Events refers to organizing press conference, multimedia presentation, matches, stages, show, etc. Written material. Sometimes written materials such as balance sheet, annual reports, special documents, brochures are circulated to various parties to improve and maintain public image of the company. Public service activities. Business houses often associate themselves with various social service projects such as women welfare, charity show, upkeeping of parks, planting tree on roadside, training schools, running schools, college, hospital, and orphanage. So these are the public service activities which many businessmen and big business houses performs. So students, that's all for today's classes. Thank you and have a nice day.